And now question 23 is the last question. It's a global question that wants to know about what must be false or what can't be true. There's nothing in the question stem to help us. We're just going to have to use a combination of our previous work and any testing we might need to do to eliminate answer choices to get down to one answer. So answer choice A says that L and R are the only kinds of flowers in bouquet 1. We've actually seen that before. That was part of the correct answer to question 19. So since we've seen it before, we know that it could be true. So it's not something that must be false. Answer choice B says that P and T are the only kinds of flowers in bouquet 1, which we've also seen before in question 21. Bouquet 1 has T and P. Answer choice C says that L, P, and R are the only kinds of flowers in bouquet 2. Now this one we've actually never seen before. So maybe this is something that can't happen, but we don't know. All we know is it hasn't happened so far. So then we'll go to answer choice D, and D says that P, R, S are the only flowers in bouquet 2, which that could happen because remember we can add an extra P to the sketch for question 21. You could have P, R, and S in bouquet 2. And then answer choice E, P, S, and T are the only types of flowers in bouquet 3. We actually have seen that in question 19 as well. So because we've seen A, B, D, and E, we know that C must be the answer. If the others can be true, then C must be the one that can't be true. Of course, we might want to know why it is that C can't be true just independently. And it takes a little bit of extra thinking to get there, but basically, if bouquet 2 were to have only P, R, and L, it would have to share the P and R with bouquet 3. Because bouquet 3 can never have an L, and bouquet 2 and 3 have to have 2 in common. But then that means bouquet 1 won't be allowed to have P, R, or S, because those would be in bouquet 3. And if we get rid of P, R, and S, we also have to get rid of T and L, because there are rules that say if you don't have T, you can't have P, and if you don't have R, you can't have L. So basically, bouquet 1 would have nothing that it could have if bouquet 2 were to have answer choice C's selection of flowers. So answer choice C, it is our answer, and with that we are done with the game.